if you have these, don't throw them away. You can still use them. They can still be salvaged using baby powder. Yes. Hi guys, this is 100% Elena Diambo. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this channel. And I call this channel 100% Elaine because I'm going to give you all my tips and tricks and hacks and DIYs 100% the way I do them. I'm not going to leave anything out. So, okay, in today's video, I am going to show you how to do your eyebrows using very cheap items. I am sure some of you have ever gone to Dubois Road or Dubois, but I'm going to call it Dubois anyway. You have gone to Dubois and then you asked them to give you a pomade for your eyebrows, but instead they sold you the eyeliner. It goes for around 200 bob and they come in two like this. I am sure they have oversold you this and told you to use them on your eyebrows, but when you apply them on your eyebrows you get a very shiny look, a very, let me just say, pathetic look. Very shiny, doesn't look good on anyone. I mean, it's ridiculous. So today I'm going to show you how you can use these two for your eyebrows and they will last the whole day. I devised these hacks, I think around last year. I bought these thinking that they will mattify my eyebrows because I sweat around here, the T-zone. I tend to sweat, so when I'm using the pencil, by the end of the day I don't have eyebrows, and so I decided to go buy these and try and see if they work. But shock on me, they were shiny. So I came up with a method. I started using baby powder. Any baby powder can do, any baby powder will work. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you're going to use these two to get long-lasting eyebrows the whole day. You don't have to buy your pomade if you have this. And yeah, let's get right into the video. I think most of the time I'll be looking down at my mirror, but I really hope this is going to be visible for everyone else. First of all, I go in with my eye pencil and I'm just going to draw. Let me just wipe off my eyebrows first. Remove any oil that might be in it, and then I'm going to start doing my brows. And guys, this hack that I'm going to show you, these eyebrows last me the whole day, and they look matte the whole day. Even if I sweat around here and here, my eyebrows don't sweat. Yeah, so okay, so first I'm going to outline my eyebrows. Okay, there's a brush. I need a powder brush. Most of my things are not here, and fortunately you guys know the situation in the country. I'm in Nairobi at the moment, and we are on lockdown, and my heart goes out to everyone out there that was affected, and to the families who lost loved ones. My heart goes out to you, and I pray that everything will be okay, and we are in this together. Check up on your friends, check up on one another, because guys, this thing is serious. You know, when you're watching TV you only see the numbers, But behind the numbers, those are real people. They are real people, and they are dying, and it's just so sad. So if you're not going to do anything outside there, please just stay home. Stay home. If you have enough supplies, stay home. Maybe pick up a new skill and do it, or you can just relax, have a good time. Yeah, you're going to go in with the baby powder. I put it in my hand, then I'm just going to dab a little bit, and then put it on my brows. This is also a method for you guys who have sweaty brows and your brows don't last the whole day. So you can do this and then just use your eyebrow pencil if you don't have these two products that I'm using. And guys, do not be mistaken, do not use these with your face powder. It doesn't work. I've tried and tested, it doesn't work. So you need baby powder. It is a must. If you do not have baby powder and you want to try this hack, go and buy some baby powder. They go from around 50 shillings to 200 bob, depending on the size and depending on the brand that you're going for. So first I'm just going to I look crazy, don't I? But first I'm going to outline my eyebrows first, okay, just to get where I am going to be trying. You see, already it's giving it a matte effect. So if you're using your eyebrow pencil and you don't have these items that I mentioned, you can use your eyebrow pencil and then build it up. I have not shaved my eyebrows. I do them like that because they are quite thin. I rarely shave them nowadays. So yeah, just outline your eyebrows as they are naturally, okay? Okay, so now you already made your outline, the way you want your brows to look like. Here goes the trick. So they come in black and brown. Actually, this is the brown that it comes in, the one that you can see on the side, but I've been mixing it with black, that's why you can see it's dark brown inside. When you look at the back, you can see two shades. So the outer shade is the original color it comes in. The inner shade is the shade I've been using. I've been mixing it with a little bit of this black so that I can get the dark brown. But if you want to use black, you go ahead, just do you. Okay, so in this case mine has been already mixed. I'm going to use this brush. So I'm going to take a little bit of the black, yeah, just a little bit, just a little, and then I'm going to mix it with the brown. Just going to mix. Yeah, you can see this is how it. I'm going to do the other side without the powder so that you can see. We started with the baby powder as the base, and then we applied the pomade, and then now we are going to dab baby powder on top. Just actually, this is too much. You're going to just need a little bit. Dab like this, and then you wait. No, I'm kidding, you don't have to wait. And then you take your powder brush and then you wipe off the excess, and then take your spoolie. I believe you guys have one. just to give it definition, we are going to highlight the eyebrows. I use the Legal Pro concealer, but I'm getting tired of it because nowadays when you when you're trying to open it, this thing on top, it blows up and it messes up your stuff because you'll have concealer all over the place. So if you guys can recommend another concealer, please comment down below. And if you have reached this part of the video, hey, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, comment and like. So you guys tell me which other concealer is good. Okay, which is okay, tell me. Okay. Yeah, I need another concealer. I'm tired of this thing blowing up and messing up my stuff, so I have to clean up. And at that time maybe I am late, so I have to clean up and leave. I am tired, guys. I am tired. Recommend something for me, okay? Sometimes I only use the concealer to outline the bottom part of my brow. Sometimes I outline both the top and the bottom. Don't worry about that. We are going to clean that up. We are going to clean that up. Won't be looking crazy like that. Okay, we're going to do this other one that we didn't use baby powder. I'm going to go in with my powder. I'm not doing a full face makeup today. This video was purposefully. This video was meant for the eyebrows only, for this hack, for just this hack only. Then if you can see, so you can see A or B. And Asana using the Maybelline Fit Me in espresso. You guys, how amazing is this powder? She's giving me minimal coverage. It's not that bad. So you can actually use this powder if you don't want to do your foundation, or if it's a very hot day and you don't feel like doing your makeup but you still want to conceal something. You can do this. Actually, I need to shave my eyebrows so that I can get that perfect arc. So you guys, A or B, you can see all that time it is still shiny, and you don't want to be working like this unless you're comfortable with it. But Mimi, I can't. I prefer this. It lasts me the whole day. It doesn't fade. And yeah, that's all I have to say. That's all I have to say for today. So let me know down below if you would try this, and if you have these, don't throw them away. You can still use them. They can still be salvaged using baby powder. Yes, honey. That's the hack. That's the hack for today. Okay. So I'm just going to do a little bit of my eyes, and then that's it. Okay. 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 So you guys, can you see the difference? Can you see the difference? A or B? See, there is a very big difference. Very, very big difference. And when you try this hack, let me know how it goes for you, okay? Yeah. So that's it for today. Stay home, stay safe. I love you guys. Bye.